Do you hear that? That's the sound of America's offices, hard at work. But how can an enterprising mind think with all that racket? The Underwood Typewriter Company dares to imagine the office of the future. And it sounds like this.
Ah, that's more like it. An Underwood standard noiseless typewriter enables the typist to work longer without fatigue, and gives that absolute quiet so essential for clear thinking and undisturbed concentration. Underwood is pleased to announce its revolutionary new emotion keys. Imagine punctuating an important memorandum with a smile instead of a plain old period. It's the wave of the future. In their latest model, Underwood takes pride in presenting the world of commerce with the typewriter of tomorrow. Models start at $29 with financing and payment plans available. Visit your local office supply dealer today.